In today's video, I am going to teach you how to pin tabs in Google Chrome vertical bar. Tech tip of the week. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, go to the website you want to pin. You can type the web address into the address bar or open a page you already have saved in your bookmarks. After the website is open, move your cursor to the tab at the top of the Chrome window. This is the tab for the page you want to keep handy. Right-click directly on that tab to open the tab menu. In the menu that appears, select Pin. As soon as you click Pin, the tab will shrink down and move to the left side of your open tabs. You will usually only see the site icon instead of the full page title. That is normal. This smaller tab design helps save space and keeps your most important sites easy to access. One helpful thing to know is that pin tabs stay in place even if you open more tabs during your browsing session. That makes them especially useful for pages you want available all day. If you ever want to undo this, the process is just as easy. You can right-click the pin tab again and choose Unpin to return it to a normal tab. That covers everything you need to know.